If you've been wanting to try alcohol markers, this set gives you all the colors at once without overspending. This is the 200 marker set, and one of the first things I like is that it comes in a zippered case with a bottom tray so everything stays organized and easy to grab when you're coloring. And then the colors. You get 200 different shades in this set, which means every tone you could possibly imagine is here. Honestly, the set is massive. When I first opened it, it felt like way more markers than I pictured 200 would be. The markers are dual tip. You've got a fine tip for details and outlines and a broad chisel tip for filling in the large areas or blending. My younger daughter and teen are both obsessed with them, and I get why. It's really satisfying to color with these. Alcohol markers are becoming more and more popular, and this set is a super budget-friendly way to get started and get all the colors. Blending is pretty decent, though you do have to work it a little. Something I do want to point out is that they bleed through the page. That's just the nature of alcohol markers, so definitely make sure to put something underneath your paper. Overall, I'd say this makes an amazing gift for beginners, kids, or really anyone who wants all the colors at once without overspending. If you're looking for a set that gives you maximum variety at a great value, this is a really solid choice.